In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jane app. By the end, you'll feel confident scheduling and managing appointments from your phone or computer, start to finish. Let's begin with downloading and installing the app. Open your device's official app store, search for Jane, and install the app with the highest ratings and the official publisher. If you're on a desktop, you can also use Jane through a modern web browser. Once it's installed, open the app and allow basic permissions like notifications so you never miss reminders. Now sign up or log in. If you're new, create an account using a secure password you won't reuse elsewhere. If you already have an account, simply sign in. You may be prompted to verify your email or confirm your identity. This keeps your information safe and ensures you receive booking confirmations and updates. Next, complete your profile. Add your name, birth date, and any details your clinic requires, such as your address or preferred clinic location. Check your time zone and communication preferences so appointment times display correctly and reminders arrive the way you like. The more accurate your profile, the smoother your booking and check-in experience will be. You're ready to book an appointment. Search for your clinic or provider, choose the service you need, and browse the calendar for available dates and times. Filters can help you narrow by practitioner, service type, or in-person versus online visits. When you pick a time, add a short note about the reason for your visit so your provider can prepare. Before you finalize, review and confirm the details and pay if required. Double-check the clinic location, date, time, and service. Take a quick look at the cancellation policy. If payment is needed to hold the spot, securely add a card and confirm. You'll receive a confirmation message and, in many cases, a calendar invite and receipt. When it's time to attend your appointment, arrive a few minutes early for in-person visits to handle check-in or forms. For online sessions, test your camera and microphone ahead of time and join through the secure link within the app or your confirmation email. Keep your device charged and in a quiet space for the best experience. Afterward, view your history and notes. Open the app to see past and upcoming appointments, invoices, and receipts. If your provider shares notes or home care instructions, you'll find them here. This is also the easiest place to rebook or schedule follow-ups. That's it. Download, sign in, complete your profile, book, confirm, and pay, attend, and review your history. You're all set to make the most of the Jane app.